Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is the Vertical Lefty. Today I'm going to work on repurposing the side table that I have. I was in love with the zebra print for a very long time, but it got really dirty and I was like, okay, I gotta do something about this because I really love the chair table. So what I did was I started by unscrewing the top shelf, and then I did unscrew the bottom one, and as you can see, they came out easily. What I like to do is prep my surface by cleaning it with some rubbing alcohol at least twice and let it dry. I cut this shiny paper, and I'm going to leave the link below of where I found this, and I'm going to carefully measure it out and spread it across. As you can see, I'm just taking my time working it across. It's kind of like wallpaper, you know. Anyway, I just laid it down on the edges. I did the same thing with the second one. My next step was to take some silver or any kind of shimmery looking duct tape you can find and do the perimeter. That perimeter is going to cover up the remainder of the side, and what I used was my hot glue gun to start putting the bling wrap around it. Because the one that I have has 3 rows, I did 1 row going all around all 4 sides, and then I came back around and I used another one to finish the top. And as you can see, I just take my time and go around the whole side. And once I complete this second row, that's about it. It's already dry and ready to go, and I just go ahead and reinstall it and screw it back in place. And I found a little bit of decorative pieces to put on it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.